Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to fix nearby friends problem Facebook. So in order to do that, what we need to do is I will show you 3 methods in order to solve this. So the 3 methods involve is updating Facebook, clearing the Facebook, and going to the help center. So let's head over to the first method. Let's head over to Play Store and let's search here for Facebook. And click the Facebook right here and make sure that this is updated. If you see an update button right here, click on that until you can see an open button after it's updated. When you see this, then that just means that it is already updated and we can now proceed to open it. And you can now check if your nearby friends problem has been resolved. However, if it is not still resolved, what you can do next is the second method, which involves clearing the cache of Facebook. So to do that, you just need to long press Facebook right here, click on App Info, and once you're in there, you can see the storage usage. So let's click on that. And then in here, you can see 2 options, which is clear data or clear cache. So make sure to clear the cache, and it's been done. You can proceed to open Facebook again to make sure that your problem has been fixed. However, if it still isn't fixed, what you can do next is just head over to the menu of Facebook right here. Then scroll down until you can see help and support right here. Then click on help center. Let's wait for it to load, and once we're in there, just click on search right here and search for nearby friends. Let's search for it. And as you can see, there's a lot of options in here that involves the nearby friends. So you can just click on this adjust who can see your Facebook section in Facebook, or how do I check into nearby location in Facebook. So let's click on this. And as you can see, it involves a detailed step-by-step on how you can fix your problem. So that's the whole process. Hopefully you learned a lot from this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks!